Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we start the next reducing agent, that is L-selectride or K-selectride for the reductions of carbonyl group. Now, in L-selectride, it is also called as lithium trisecondary butyl borohydride. This is the structure of this lithium trisecondary butyl borohydride. And if there is potassium, then it is called potassium trisecondary butyl borohydride. Now, this reducing agent are the chemoselective reducing agents for the steric hindrance. So, let's see the reductions of carbonyl compounds which is sterically hindered. C double bond O. In presence of L selectride and in the solvent THF, then this 1,4 addition of hydrogen takes place reduction by lithium trisecondary butyl borohydride reduces this carbon-carbon double bond, that is 1,4 reduction takes place. So the product form is this type of carbonyl group. So unsaturated carbonyl, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl converted to saturated carbonyl compounds by lithium selectrides. Now, if there is a substituent present on double bond, then there is a steric hindrance, and therefore the chemoselectivity for the steric hindrance, the reductions of 1-2 reductions take place by the same L selectrides. So there is formation of OH, double bond remaining as it is. So it is 1,4 reduction and it is 1,2 reduction. So reduction of carbonyl group take place due to steric hindrance at these 4 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4 position there is methyl group, therefore it is 1-2 reductions. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 hydride attack at this carbon of carbon double bond, then there is shifting O minus, then reversion, then protonation at this third carbon. So 1,4 reductions and this is 1,4 reductions. So there is a chemoselectivity for the reductions by using L selectride or potassium selectrides. Then next, for the 6-member ring, if there is a cyclohexanon, then the hydride attack from the less hindered side, means from the equatorial attack. So let's see the example. Cyclohexanon, and if there is a substituent like this, then L selectride or K selectride, then the hydride attack from the equatorial side and the OH goes to the axial side, axial position. So OH goes to axial and H goes to equatorial position. So this product is obtained over the 99% is axial OH. So axial OH obtained with this reaction is 99%, more than 99% by using the L selectride, means the attack of hydride occur from this hydride attack from the exo site, and there is formation of the equatorial attack of the hydride, then there is formation of OH on the axial position. Let's see another example. Now this carbonyl group, so there is a steric hindrance from this upside, and therefore as the reducing agent is bulkier group, therefore it attack from the lower side, that means from the endophase, and there is formation of exo OH product. So L selectride, then the product form is OH and hydrogen attack from the endophase, yeah, endocyte, and OH goes to the exocyte. So exo product is obtained. Then in case of if there is no steric hindrance, then L selectrite, then the hydride attack from the exophase and there is formation of endo OH product. So product form is OH and hydrogen attack from the exocyte and product OH is goes to the endocyte. So endo product is obtained again for the 99% product is obtained with this, and here also 99%, more than 99% product obtained like this. So there is a stereo selectivity for the hydride transfer when there is conformationally restricted cycloalkanes, yeah, cycloketones. If there is restricted cycloketone, then the hydride selectively, if there is a steric hindrance, that is stereoselective attack of hydride from the L selectride take place. If there is a steric hindrance, then it attack from the endophase, and if there is no steric hindrance, then the hydride attack from the exophase, and there is formation of endo OH, there is exo OH. So let's see more example by using K selectride or L selectride. Double bond O, double bond R, COOMe, then L selectride. Now again there is no steric hindrance at this position, therefore this get reduced and to form the 1,4 reduction product. There is H double bond OH COOMe, and here is R oxygen. So hydride from the tri-secondary butyroborohydride attack on this hydride. There is lifting of the double bond here, O minus, and protonation of O minus, that is formation of OH. This product is formed. And again there is acetic anhydride, AC twice O, acetic anhydride in presence of DMAP. Acylation of this hydroxyl group take place and to form the OAC plus COOMe. Here R group remain as it is. Next, the stereoselectivity follows the Pelkin-Anna model for the chiral center present adjacent to the carbonyl groups. For example, the PH C double bond O ME. Okay. For such reactions, there is stereoselectivity, the hydride attack. We can use the Pelkin-Anna model for this by using L selectride. We get PH CH3 OH ME. So this product, stereoselectively, this product obtained as a major product. That means the two diastereomers obtained, this product is 96%, and another product obtained is PH CH3 OH ME, or here also ME, you can write ME. So it is 4%. So diastereomers are obtained. That is, the reaction is stereoselective reactions in which one diastereomer is major product. So let's see how the major product is obtained by using the Felkin-Anna model. By using Felkin-Anna model. So let's see the reactions. In Felkin-Anna model, the central carbon is carbonyl and there is a methyl group present on the carbonyl. Then the large side group is present at 90 dihedral angle, present at the 90 degree dihedral angle. Then smaller group, that is Me, present along the side of Me, and the smallest hydrogen present on this side. Then the hydride, that is L selected, BH minus Li plus, tri secondary butyl borohydride. This hydride transfer from this side, then there is O minus protonation, it become OH. So the product form is H hydride from this side, OH goes to this side, and the Me goes to this side, flipping of this bond towards this side, and here is Me, pH, here is hydrogen. Now this pH and Me present on the same side in the reactor. Here also these are present on the same side. So we can represent as pH, then this circle carbon, and this Me, this central carbon, this one is central carbon, and this is Me. Now the Me group and OH, Me and OH, this Me and this OH present on the same side. That means the Me and OH present on the same side. Same side. So we get this product as a 96% by using Felkin-Anna model. We observe that this product is the major product obtained during these reactions. Means the stereoselectively the one product is diastereomers is obtained, one is the major product. Now let's see another type of example for the reduction. OH, C11O, CH3 by using L selectrite. Again there is a steric inverse at 1,4 position, therefore 1,2 reductions of carbonyl take place and to form the OH. So this OH and this OH present on same side, there is double bond. Means here the hydride is a bulkier group, L selectrite is a bulkier reducing agent, and as this OH group present on up face, therefore the hydride attack from the lower face, and so that the OH comes to up face. Therefore this OH and this OH present on the same side because the hydride attack from the lower face, down side. Then another example, here is carbonyl double bond. Now L selectrite. Now if here is hydrogen, we write here as R group, X group, and then L selectrite. Then there are formation of two products. X and Y. Okay, and then there is this double bond remain as it is. Now this product is obtained when X is Me group. X is Me group, then it is the 17% product is obtained. And if X is hydrogen, then this is 79% product is obtained. Means the hydride. See here is L selectride, is X group present below side and Y group present on upside. Now if X is equal to Me and Y is equal to H, X is equal to Me and Y is equal to H, then the product is 79% product is obtained this. And if X is equal to H and Y is equal to Me, then the product obtained is 17%. Means the sterically hindered product, if there is X is equal to Me, then there is hydrogen attack at this position. Hydrogen attack here, there is double bond formation O minus reverse, and protonation takes place at this position. The product obtained is 79% if X is equal to Me. But X is equal to H, then there is hydride transfer O minus reversal, then there is Me formation at this position is only 17% by methyl chloride. When there is formation of Me, when there is attack of hydride from the L selectride double bond O minus, there is X, H, double bond, CH3 as it is. Then if there is MECl, then this O minus is reversed, then it attack from this carbon to MECl and Cl get eliminated. So there is formation of X and there is Me double bond O. Okay, so this product form when there is methyl chloride is used, means methylation at this position is only obtained with 17% aid, and if there is hydride protonation, then 79% aid is obtained. Now let's see more example of L selectride or K selectrides. Now in presence of K selectride, as there is no steric hindrance at 1,4 positions, therefore 1,4 reductions take place at 4 position. There is no steric hindrance, therefore 1,4 reduction take place, and the product obtained is this one. Then let's see another type of example. Carbonyl group present here. Here is substituent. There is R3, R1, R2. Then lithium try secondary deuterated hydride. Instead of borohydride, it is deuterated hydride. Then the hydride, that is deuterated hydride, attack from the from the equatorial side, and axial OH formation takes place. So product obtained with OH is present at axial position and deuterium present at the equatorial. So attack occur from the equatorial side. Hydride means deuteride attack from the equatorial side, and there is R3, R1 and R2. If there is sodium borohydride, then the hydride attack take place from the axial phase and there is equatorial OH obtained. Let's see same reactions R3, R1, R2 in presence of NaBD4 deuterated borohydride, sodium borohydride. Then by using this the product obtained is equatorial OH and axial deuterium R3, R1, R2. So L-selectride is a selective reducing agent in which the hydride attack from the equatorial phase and axial OH formation take place. Then if there is sodium borohydride, then the sodium borohydride is a small reducing agent and it attack from the axial side, the hydride attack from the axial side and equatorial OH formation take place. Now it is also chemoselective reducing agent which reduces selectively aldehyde in presence of ketone. So if there is aldehydes and ketone, selectively it reduces the aldehyde and not the ketone. H in presence of L-selectride, only carbonyl of aldehyde get reduced and to form CH2OH, primary alcohol formation take place. Again, the conjugated and non-conjugated carbonyl group is present, then non-conjugated carbonyl group get is conjugated and non-conjugated carbonyl. By using L-selectride, non-conjugated carbonyl group get reduced. Means conjugated group remain as it is and this become OH. So non-conjugated carbonyl group get reduced by using the L-selectride. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.